Our top story tonight at 5:30, nearly 2 million South Bay residents will need to cut back on their water.
And just about an hour ago, the Santa Clara Valley Water District passed these new water restrictions. The board has declared a water shortage emergency and is urging the county of Santa Clara to proclaim a local emergency. And it will implement a mandatory 15% reduction in water use compared to how much people used in 2019.
City leaders in Sonoma are also asking residents to reduce water usage by 15%. The city council unanimously declared a stage 1 water shortage. The declaration requests that all customers water their lawns or plants during the evening and early morning hours, inspect all irrigation systems, reduce minutes of run time for each irrigation cycle, and utilize water conservation rebate and other incentive programs.